All right, so I'm gonna have you go back in and edit that one. Edit the title to this one. I don't know what you want to call it, but
Okay.
we are live. So
Oh, we're live. All right.
yeah. So
Let me get back in there.
for those of
Hi,
you
folks.
who do come back, welcome. We're doing a secondary show. This is gonna be a real short one. We're just gonna kind of start off with the basics of what we want this database to do, and where we want it to, what the goal at the end of it is. And most of the time, you kind of have an idea of what you want it to do before you start with a database. You have to know what you want it to do before you just start building, which we've kind of been working on this for years, so we kind of know where we want to go with it.
Yes, those of you in IVPAC are aware. We're showcasing a sheet that starts off right away. Like, one of the things that you get in when you get into IVPAC is we ask that you've been a contractor, you've been building your planes. So this is that sheet showing all the contractors. It's just your jumping off point, as it were, right? So
So we're going to start off with
what the hell?
brand new base. No, I don't want to register the database. Open the database for every finish. Okay, so let's do that. New database. Let's go ahead and save this under here and save this under, just save it as database. Let's just start simple.
Hey.
Requires a Java runtime environment to perform a task. Please install. Okay. I don't know what that is. Interesting. So let's go see if we can find. Is there an update button on here? I haven't used. Here we go.
I think there's an update button on there.
Yep, checking for.
It's been a while since I've done it myself, too.
Interesting. I mean, I could probably go download the newest version of OpenOffice, but I figured this thing was just up to date.
Well, it probably is, isn't it?
No, it's.
No? You'll forgive me, I don't use OpenOffice, I use LibreOffice, so mine's different than yours.
What's that one?
Just another
Free source?
just another free sourced office. Yeah.
Well,
I've got OpenOffice on another one. I just use Libre on this one, so
how do you spell
teach
it?
their own. Li, yeah, that's it right there. .633, yeah, that's the one I've got.
You said there's download button right here?
Yeah, and the one below it should be. Oh wait, I'm sorry. No, when you download, that's the base version. You could use the 3.3 because it's they call it power users, but I mean it's like a beta that's going to go regular, and at this point it's probably regular right now, so it matters not. Once you start downloading, that right there has the built-in help. I suggest you download that too.
What do you mean?
Because it's like, I mean, without it you don't have any help features, so it's like a very full, comprehensive help thing. You know, like if you're using Microsoft Office and you do the question mark, you've got all the, it takes you to online help and so on and so forth, blah, blah, blah. That's what that does.
Yeah. Where's the help?
It should actually be downloading alongside of it. What? Did you not? Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, that's it right there.
This?
Yeah. Because it says help pack, so yeah, that must be it. Yeah, there you go, because you got two of them running, so. I saw it in the briefest of time periods down there. It says two of them doing stuff.
Yep, I got you. Oh, okay. So yeah, I mean that's part of what we do, you know.
Yeah, and this is one of the reasons why Mark was saying, and if you listen in our previous show, we were talking about how it takes the fun out and turns it into work. Mostly the work is for me because I'm the one who basically maintained most of these sheets for the longest of times. I have to keep track of all of our bases, all of our squadrons, all of our contractors, in some cases, all of our planes. That's where members come in, though. They got to help out, and one of the reasons why nowadays we've come a long way since the days before the internet. But now, like again, posting up because we do give out awards, most of them annually for like best of this, best of that. But if you have a better flight, the only ways I know is either you do a video or you do a post, or the other members know because we can compare flights. If we see the video, we see the pictures, or even just descriptions of like, man, this thing flew so good. You had, you know, 200 yards in this flight, blah blah blah. Just so we know, because we could give out these awards.
Yep.
Very important to know this stuff. And the calendar works because again, with smartphones, if you have a Google account and a smartphone, you can get on the calendar and you can share it with IVPAC, and everybody will know. So, I mean, there's other ways to do it, but I'm just saying that's a really good way.
Yep. Yep.
You do understand the rubber band is not for eating, right, kitten? Okay, we're going to have to take it away because you've now chewed pieces off.
This is actually downloading pretty quick considering of all the stuff that this PC is doing. and you know, my internet speed is not terrible, but let's see what it is right now.
This is obviously when you're dealing with a whole office suite, it is pretty large files. So I'm going to go ahead and put database has a feature in this
one.
one.
Millisecond ping. Yeah, it's not terrible.
Fucking
considering what you're doing right now, it's not terrible.
Right. I'm going to call this testing. Okay.
There we go. There we go. Get up there. Yep. Yeah. It's slow, but it's not terrible.
Right.
Okay, so now
I got to figure out exactly. Oh, good! I get to put up a showcase that. Don't step on planes, kitten. I'll get you trained yet, Tiger Kitty.
So what is? Oh, interesting.
Kitty, there'll be no chewing of the micro SDs, please. Kitty.
Still downloading this one. Got
really? I thought it was done.
Yeah, I got about 60 meg left.
Oh, okay. It reads basically like your Open Office does. I mean, if you're used to the ones, I mean, everybody's got their own variants of the same stuff, right? Excel, Word, blah blah blah. I think LibreOffice does it a little bit differently because I think one of the Europeans had a hand in it. So like Excel's not Excel, it's like Calc. They call it Calc. But I believe database is base.
But is it still saved in XLS format?
Oh, yes. Well, you have an option of how you want to save it, default, and then which ones you want to make it compatible with. And of course, Excel is. You have XLS and XLSX,
yes,
which is what Google Docs saves it as. So
yes,
preparing it for internet use. So it has the capacity.
Because I just want to see.
Yeah, you have Writer, Draw, Math, Calc, Base, and Impress. Writer is Word.
Yeah.
Pretty comprehensive suite. I think the reason I liked it is because it has something that actually takes the place of Microsoft Publisher. I liked Publisher. Publisher is a good little program.
Yeah.
So that's why I did LibreOffice as opposed to OpenOffice.
I just did it because that was one I've done for years.
Well, no, right. Like I said, and ain't nothing wrong with either one of them. When you can get an Office thing for free, there's no complaints really. especially when it's open sourced because everybody gets a hand in building it. So it's like, oh, I want this in there, and they'll usually put it in. So, I mean, where can you go wrong, right?
Yeah, the question is, where does it save?
Where do you have your download save to? Don't you download save to downloads?
Yeah, but it should have installed the. No, it probably didn't. So.
No, these don't automatically install. I hope you're not just looking at all my wires thinking of which one you can chew.
All right, let's get this over here. Where did it go? Did it go here? That was open office.
Could you just open, just open the folder from your download thing. Yeah, open the folder right there.
This, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I was trying to.
Because it looks like it did something down there at the bottom because it wants you to do something. You must be on the other screen. I can't see it.
Oh, yeah. No, I didn't see it pop up. I wasn't. I got it blocked.
It must be. Yeah, it must be under. Because it's flashing down there at the bottom, which means it's got to be somewhere.
I got you.
That's got to be it saying, like, would you like me to install? And you say, yes. Please do. Hopefully there'll be a screenshot of the worksheets, because I would really like to get the worksheets. I was very disappointed in Black Friday and Cyber Monday not having any good sales on memory, making me mad.
Oh, yeah.
Keep up with us, people, as he installs the Office so we can see this.
Yeah, yeah. I opened it like 3 times and didn't even realize it.
Well, I noticed that because there was 3 of them down there.
Yeah. That's what was taking so long. I was trying to figure out which one I wanted.
Like, okay, what are you doing, man?
You must restart your system to take effect.
Are you for real?
Yeah. Yes to restart now, or no if you plan to restart later. No. I'm not restarting now. Let's see what I can do. Let's see if I can get this open.
Okay. Hopefully you can.
Libre.
I think you can. I don't think, I think I've done this before.
Database. Okay, yeah, sounds good. Next, no, do not register the database. Open a database for editing.
That's right. So wonderful to have y'all people along with us while we do this. Were we going to do this? I don't know. Database. But we're doing it. So keep up.
Save. Yes, I want to replace it. Runtime Java environment.
Really? I haven't seen JRE in a long time.
Apparently, I mean...
Supposedly Java is so fully integrated with Windows 10 you don't see it anymore like you used to back in the day.
Mm-hmm. Joe Rogan. Yeah, that's what I'm told.
Everything smells like rubber band. Hagataka? Come on. Yeah, there it is.
Would it still be this one?
Yeah, of course.
Any Java?
Yeah, any Java. Okay, well, yeah, any Java works. People were just showing you the intricate process it takes to have these
Apparently.
these downloads. Bear with us, because I mean this is all working out, so
It's annoying.
it's a little annoying because you didn't anticipate it. You could have just flown through. You were just flying through OpenOffice. Now you're using this one, so I mean we're
But yeah,
downloading.
but I
But
still had to download the Java for OpenOffice either way.
oh well, then yeah, nothing new here then.
Okay, so let's close that. 3 billion devices run Java. Yeah, because you force them to.
No kidding, right?
Like, what is Java and what does it do?
Well, it's a coffee making machine, and the government made it so that they could spy on you through all of your binary code. Oh, did I say that out loud? You weren't supposed to know that.
Yeah, because that's
It's
yeah.
classified information. You're not supposed to know that. Hold on, I'm throwing something in. Bear with me. I'm just trying to make it a little bit.
He's doing something. Okay, so let's close all this out.
Okay, here we go.
Let's not tax this thing any more than I need to. Which, I mean, I've got a Ryzen 7 in this thing. It's not really taxing much. I honestly like to see where...
Oh, my friend, my God. Back in the day, you were asking me what an AMD was. You didn't even know.
Yeah.
Now I practically wouldn't get a computer without it. Practically. Again,
32 gigs in here.
Intel did a
And I'm
pretty
only
good job.
using 8. Oh, I love it.
Intel did a pretty good job recent years catching back up, and actually in some cases surpassing AMD.
Yeah.
But, you know, this is the nature of the beast.
I love how I'm under 20% for just about everything. My memory is only at 25% usage. GPU's at 17%. The CPU's at 10%. And I'm streaming. And I'm doing all kinds of other stuff.
You're streaming.
Yeah. Like normally most computers, they have issues. Mine does not.
Most computers.
Well, I don't know about yours.
Mine's not having any problems.
Well, yeah, but you're not streaming. Streaming is what causes it when it's the upload. If you
Well,
don't have
yeah,
good
true that.
If you don't have good upload speed and you're trying to stream and do video chat and do everything else, like it'll cause a problem. So now let's try to open this. Let's go to create new database. No, do not register the database. Finish. I want to label this database. Yes, I want to override it. I already installed the daggone Java.
Oh, yeah.
Connection to this cannot be established. No Java installation can be found. Please. More. Where? Where? Okay, but the problem is, why can't you? Why can't you give me a help for Java? What is? I don't want to know what this is. I want to know where Java is. Why is it's on here? It's already installed.
Yeah, that is kind of weird because it is already installed. Exactly that. It should be there. So,
Isn't that what this is?
Hard to say because it doesn't give you any details as to which one is which. I mean, those are actually all related to something that's running in one of the clients and the processes that you're running. So,
Well, yeah.
I mean, back in the day, it used to be JRE, but I don't think they're called JRE anymore. I don't think it's Java Runtime Environment.
Daggone piece of crap.
Something of it's running in the background.
See? It's right here.
Well, there it is. Well, there you go. You do have it. Fucking put itself up at the top.
No, I don't. Okay, that was the dumbest thing ever. Okay. That's not what. That's not what I want to. There we go. Runtime parameters. Enable. Jerry. See, yeah, it's there.
It is Jerry. Okay, yeah.
Jerry 1.8.0 231. See?
Alrighty then.
But why isn't it too large of a vision?
A little moist down in the Florida area.
Okay. No, it's not there. I'm so used to going there. 86. Java. Jerry.
Java.
Bin. Bin.
Bin Laden.
Plugin 2. Where the heck are you at?
I think the reason why this is turning out to be a little bit more than it would be is because you didn't do the reboot. I think with the reboot, you wouldn't see all those.
That's probably the case.
Because seriously,
yeah,
actually,
it's not showing in the bin. It's in
right.
the bin file, and it's not
and like
showing
I said,
in the bin file.
you're looking at Java on yours like it's in your start menu. I don't even see it in mine. So it's like I know I got it, but
Yeah, go to Java, go to Jerry, go to bin. Should be down here in the bin file.
Yeah.
But it's not. Well, it is, but it's
not.
It needs a reboot. So, guys, let me see if I can mess around with this. Nope. It is not gonna let me do it without it finding.
Yeah, mine's easier than that. And like I said, I don't even have Java in my start menu, so.
But it's still probably on your system, though.
It's probably in here somewhere, yeah.
Start in safe mode. I don't want to put it in safe mode. I don't want that. See, it's not that. It's not like I can just say, "Hey, go find Java."
Right?
That's not what I want.
That's not it, man.
Pass. That's databases. That's that. That's that. Yeah, none of this has to do with Java. With coffee. With coffee. It has nothing to do with coffee.
It has nothing to do with coffee, man.
Tools, customize. I mean, I can click on all this crap and it works. Why can't I click on a new table? Why can't I click on a query? Create a query in design view, I bet. Nope. You just really want... Alright, well. We're gonna cut this. We're gonna cut this here.
Well, no, you could just keep it going and use Open Office for now.
I still need Java to work.
Oh, you still need Java to work. Oh, well, crap. All right, fine.
Yeah, I mean, I could try it. I could try it.
Maybe that's the thing, though. Maybe Open Office needs Java and LibreOffice does not. Maybe that's why I don't have it.
But LibreOffice is what I'm trying to use.
I know. But that's only because you were trying to reboot, though. Like you said, Open Office still needed Java, right?
Yeah, but I'm trying to use LibreOffice and it still wants me to use Java.
Oh, okay.
Yep, so let's go to next. No, I do not want to register. Open the database for editing. Yeah, let's just try that. Let's eliminate that database for the now. Let's just save it like that. The connection cannot be established. No Java could be found. Yeah, see, it wants me to reboot before Java takes effect into this.
God, that blows.
Yep. There's no way around this. We're gonna cut it, and I'll work on the database. Let's look at our schedule coming up. Let's look at what we got. So next week is the 18th. We could make that a database show.
Okay. Could do that.
Since I already have the Excel files downloaded, we can do that. We can work on that. And I might even start working on it, over the weekend or something like that, just to kind of mess around with that and get
in between flights.
Yeah, I mean, I gotta find out what the weather's gonna do, but
yeah.
Other than that, I can't get this thing to work. Need a whole new computer now. That's what we do in the VA. It's like, it doesn't work. Oh, let me fix that. Here, I'll be back in an hour. Here's a new computer. I'll take that one. Oh, you didn't save your stuff? I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I ain't got time for you to save your stuff.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
But I need the stuff on my desktop. Well, you shouldn't be saving stuff on your desktop. It's not your computer. It's the government. And they coming to get you. See, it's got Java right down here. It's got Java right there.
It's just weird, man. I mean, like, seriously, what the hell?
I mean, let's look at this a little bit. Yeah, they are. Yeah, that's all. That's all normal.
That's all, folks.
So hide console, general network settings. Yeah, I don't need that. I don't care about the internet files. It's already up to date.
That was sad.
That's the JRE, which we already looked at.
Right.
Java content for browser website. Applications identified by a certificate from the trust authority are allowed to run even if the revocations cannot be verified. Yeah, but still.
That's JDK. Oh, it's JDK now. Okay. Oh, that's for Android. Here's wait a minute.
But it's still default Java for browsers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, all the settings are done. Like that's all the same.
Well, it's just weird.
Yeah. So, I mean, I'm probably gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna call this here. I didn't even check to see if anybody stopped by.
I didn't either. Hopefully they did. Maybe not. I don't know. It's okay.
Let me go this way. Because I could click on.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Yep, I could click on that. I didn't check. But you know, opening it now probably doesn't do me any good.
Right.
Getting our 15-year-old design for a database off the ground.
Oh my god.
Maybe. Maybe is right. That fit pretty well. Well, you know, I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. And, you know, this thing. This thing is I don't even know what to do with it. I don't even have sound bites on this source, so I can't even say that it's like a rock, but it's that's what this database is like right now.
Well,
all right.
at least we tried.
Thanks for stopping by, everybody.